Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DS Gandrishti. Today we learn about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was very famous scholar of India. Uh, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was first vice president and also second president of India. In this video we learn about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and a great teacher. Dr. S. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher of the country. He was the second president of India who served as the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was also first vice president of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 Madras Presidency at Tirutani. His father was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy. His mother was Sitamma. He had 5 brothers and 1 sister. Radhakrishnan was awarded scholarships throughout his academic life. He joined Ursi College in Vellore but switched to Madras Christian College at the age of 17. He graduated from there in 1906 with a master's degree in philosophy, being one of its most distinguished alumni. Radhakrishnan was Radhakrishnan wrote his thesis for MA degree on the topic The Ethics of Vedanta and its Metaphysical pres- pres- Presupposes. presupposes. He was married to Shiva Kamu, a distant cousin at the age of 16. Former Indian cricketer BBS Lakshman, his great grandnephew. In April 1909, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was appointed to Department of Philosophy at Madras Presidency College. Thereafter, in 1918, he was selected as Professor of Philosophy by the University of Mysore, where he taught at its Maharaja College, Mysore. In 1921, he was appointed as a professor in philosophy to occupy the King George V. Chair of Mental and Moral Science at the University of Calcutta. In 1929, Radhakrishnan was invited to take the post vacated by Principal J. Stlin Carpenter at Harris Manchester College. He was the Vice-Chancellor of Andhra University from 1931 to 1936. In 1939, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya invited him to succeed him as the Vice-Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University (BHU). He served as its Vice-Chancellor till January 1948. When he became the President of India, some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on September 5. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday has since been celebrated as Teachers' Day in India in every year. That is about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Nowadays in India, we celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. So thank you for listening and watching this video.